I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Where to now? Right leads to the lava quarry. Right leads to the lava quarry. Right leads to the lava. Forward leads to... This adventure box contains a unique engine. Now get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. I love that. Forward leads to... Let's go to the big bridge. Which way do you want to go? Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Woohoo! Yeah! Love that! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy!
It's time to use your mighty power. Copycat has deployed his mighty magnets to steal.
The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Right leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Good job! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy.
Ooh, I hear someone positively.
I love that. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Forward leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Forward leads to... Let's go to the big bridge. Right leads to Brenham Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Great! Super! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now?